Hi guys, welcome to my channel Roots for Software Engineering. In this video, I will cover about props concept. Okay, without let me start. Okay, now first one will go with theory points and later on we'll see practically. And first one is nothing but prop is a short form for property. Now now prop is a short form for property. Now short form for property. Okay, and next one, prop is used. Okay, now prop is used to send data from parent component to child component, child component next we can say prop will return one object. This is important point. Next another thing, prop look like attribute in HTML, attribute in HTML, and and function property and function property function property function property in JavaScript. It will look like attribute in HTML. When it comes to the JavaScript, it will look like function property. Next another point, prop props are props are immutable. Immutable means we can read but we cannot change. We can say as read only. We cannot change the value of prop. Okay, next another thing we can say as it is unidirectional flow. Okay, now it is unidirectional flow. Unidirectional flow means we can say as parent to child component. Okay, now this is the theory points related to the prop. Let me discuss practically here. Then I will take one component and component name as prop.jsx. Okay, let me create one file prop.jsx, and in the prop, okay, I think file name wrong we given, and once again take here. Okay, now what is that file name? prop.jsx. Okay, next we'll see this one by using the functional component. Import react from the, okay, import react from react library. Okay, now let me take here. It is not giving, right? Okay, fine, then write down directly function itself. Function and function name as prop data parenthesis, and inside go with one return statement. And in the return statement, first we need to write any one of the element, right? Then I will take element as h1. Okay, and inside the h1 I will go with statement as welcome to prop concept. Okay, we need to go with this one exporting, right? Now I will take exporting as default statement, then take export keyword followed with the default statement, and after default statement I will take function name as prop data. Okay, now already we exported, we need to utilize this one in the parent, so I'm utilizing in the parent, call it as app.jsx. So first import it here. So how to import? Default way, right? Now what is the name? Prop data, and call here our function and function name as prop data, and inside the prop data now I'm passing one attribute, and attribute is nothing but a name equals to, and inside the name equals to I will pass data as suppose dinga. Okay, I'm passing data as dinga. Next we'll go with age. Okay, now age for the Dinga is will consider as 20. Okay, and next if you want consider as qualification also, then take qualification. Okay, now qualification equals to, and inside the string data, then write down value as btech. Okay, and these all the values we pass to the child component, call it as prop. Then let us go to the child component. Okay, now where we have child component prop data, right? Let me take a prop. Okay, and in the prop data for the function, it will take like one parameter, right? Now I will take a parameter name as prop. Okay, if you want print whether it is giving object or not, we can see in the console. Then take it as a prop. Okay, next again check it after executing in the console. Then go with the C react enter. Next npm run dev enter. Okay, now it will generate one local URL for us, and just turn what is it into the browser. Okay, now it's giving output or not, we'll check. Yes, it is giving output. Next in the console, check it whether one object's created or not. Okay, now in the console browser, now observe carefully, it's created one object, and in the object name Dinga is 20 qualification btech is there. Okay, now this one I want to print at my browser. So how to do that one? We need to take here elements, right? Now I will take element, call it as prompt. Now two elements, it will not return, so we need to wrap into one parent component, and that parent component I will consider as react fragment. Okay, now react fragment shortcut is nothing but the empty parenthesis, and inside here I will take as username. Okay, now username is, and flower base, inside the flower base object name dot and username. Next same thing, we need to take another element and consider as user age. Okay, now user age. Okay, let me take here. Okay, now user age is, okay, now colon flower base, and inside we need to go with here prop dot age. Prop dot what we need, age, right? Okay, now prop dot age I given. Okay, next after this one, then utilize again another thing, user qualification. Okay, now user qualification is, then we can say as a prop. Okay, now prop dot okay, now what we need, qualification, right? Then consider as qualification. Okay, and once check what we given in parent, exact words we need to use. Okay, now what is our parent, app.jsx, right? I given this as small letter, and this one is also small letter, and this one is also small letters. Once check it in the prompt, all we given small or capital. Now we given capital, then consider into the small, again age is small, qualification is small. Okay, now once go to your, okay, now file what you are running present. Okay, now in that one data it is giving or not, it is giving data of Dinga 20, but it is not giving the data of qualification. Then where we given mistake, once again go to app.jsx and check it in the app.jsx qualification. Now this qualification we need to utilize here, right? Then go to what is it, prop.jsx, and here go with the qualification. Okay, now again check it, it's giving or not, it's giving btech 20 as well as Dinga. Okay, now this is the example related to the prop. Okay, now thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye, we'll see in another video.